This is how I do it. You see the bobbin? We take the bobbin out. Oops. And then we clean around the bobbin and then underneath it. Make sure all the dust from the fabric and from the bearing out. This is you have to do regularly every time you change your quilt project. Now we clean the top. All right, and now we can oil the machine right in here. Can you see? Right in there, just one drop. Okay, one drop. Now we're going to start the machine. Okay, the machine is oiled, and then now we're going to clean. Now I'm going to clean this bobbin case. I just use this, and all you need to do is just clean like before, dusting it. This is how I do it. Just dust it, just make sure there's no dust left over, like in there. Okay, and then make sure inside and outside are clean. Then there is there's also some hidden dust that you need to clean, which is in there. Can you see? Oh, cannot see. All right, so it's in there, in between the, see? So maybe I cover with this. Just use this pin, and then put it under and then clean. So this is pretty clean because I clean it very often, so there's no rubbish in it, and then it's clean. And then we can put our bobbin in. Basically that's it. It's very simple cleaning. You have to maintain it like that because this machine tend to be very sensitive, so you have to clean everything, even under the wheel, because even one string like this, even one dust, it will make the machine running through the dead dog or dead cat, like you can feel the bump. I keep that in mind. and I won't forget that because this machine is very good. I'm very happy with it. I just have to look after it so then can accompany me all the time, even though I'm doing this just for hobby. I'm not selling it, but anybody is welcome if they have their quilt top and wanting me to do the finishing. I'm fine too, as long as you accept my free motion quilting, because I don't use any computer. For me, free motion is more fun because I can explore what drawing I want. Like the recent drawing I did is like, you know, tropical design. I got inspired by some leaves that are available here in botanical garden. Yeah, you better just explore yourself and keep practicing, because you know, people say practice make perfect, so that's what I did too. If I have free day, I just do sewing, do quilting when I'm bored with reading, because that's all my hobby. I love to read, I love to cook, I love to bake, I love to sew, so whichever make me happy that day, then I would do it. Be creative and be active, and yeah, have fun with your life. Bye.